Save Your Soul. From director/producer duo, and twin sisters, Adamma and Adanne Ebo, looks like one of the funniest new movies of 2022 so far. The mockumentary-style satire, which was also produced by Academy Award winners Jordan Peele and Daniel Kaluuya and is now playing in theaters and streaming exclusively on Peacock, also boasts an ensemble that is sure to earn your faith upon first glance alone. Please be seated as we give praise to, and explain who plays whom in, the Honk for Jesus. Save Your Soul. Cast below. Image credit, focus features Regina Hall, Trinitie Childs playing Trinitie Childs, a disgraced megachurch first lady struggling to get back on top after a scandal, in Honk for Jesus. Is recent Oscars co-host Regina Hall, who landed her first major role as Candy in 1999's The Best Man, which she reprised in 2013's The Best Man Holiday, before, in 2000, appearing in the romantic sports drama Love and Basketball and one of the funniest spoof movies, Scary Movie, as Brenda Meeks, Honk. She's also known for comedies like the 2010 remake of Death at a Funeral, both Think Like a Man movies, Girls Trip, Support the Girls, and Little, but also shines in dramas like Law Abiding Citizen, The Hate U Give, and Master. Hall has also shined on the small screen in the Ally McBeal cast for a season, in Showtime's Black Monday cast, and in the 9 Perfect Strangers cast on Hulu. Image credit, focus features Sterling K. Brown, Lee Curtis Childs as disgraced Southern Baptist pastor and Trinities' husband, Lee Curtis Childs. We have Sterling K. Brown, who became a household name from his Emmy-winning role in the This Is Us cast as Randall Pearson, following a still impressive. These days, the St. Louis native can boast having a role in one of the best Marvel movies as Black Panthers and Jobu, after previously working with Chadwick Boseman in Marshall, the Predator movies as CIA agent Trigger, and the Frozen movies as Matthias in the 2019 sequel. He also won his first Emmy for American Crime Story, The People vs. O.J. Simpson, received much praise for serious drama movies like Hotel Artemis and Waves, but also knows when to let loose and have fun, such as when he played Sia in the Lonely Island's Netflix original visual album, The Unauthorized. Image credit, focus features Nicole Beharie, Shakura Sumptor. Rival megachurch minister Shakura Sumptor is played by Nicole Beharie, who is also a television star known best as Abbie Mills on Fox's Sleepy Hollow, and from a handful of great anthology series, including one of the best Black Mirror